So here is a 1000 watts solar generator from Gospower. As you can see, we just completed the installation for this solar bus, and it's going to power a 3-bedroom apartment where we'll be using a freezer, a television, and we'll also be using it to charge our laptops. Then it can also carry the washing machine conveniently. So I think you should opt for something like this, and it's very affordable. If you're interested, you can just DM me and I will tell you what it is that you need. Thank you very much.